plane. Within 30 seconds will come the thunderous roar of the explosion 7 miles away. The typical mushroom-shaped cloud boils upward. Only 10% of all injuries from high atomic airbursts are from X and gamma rays. Reports indicate that these are the greatest concern of the average citizen and soldier. This test, in which combat troops are participating, is designed to dispel much of the fear and uncertainty surrounding atomic radiation and the effects of these rays. Casualties from an atomic explosion are estimated to be in the following proportions: from blast and missile, 60%, from flash burns and heat, 30%, and from radiation, 10%.